Improves your grilling, cuts cooking time by about half for thin meats and bacon from 8 to 4 minutes. Better performance. Screw removable cool touch wood handle, texturized bottom to avoid sliding and movement, measures 8 3x4 and weighs 215 pounds. One of the best grill accessories, transfers and retains heat evenly. Use it for flattening bacon and squeezing fat from meats. Preheat using indirect heat for faster cooking and sizzling. Ready to use seasoning. 100% non-GMO flaxseed oil does not contain PTFE and PFOAs that can be harmful to your health. Flaxseed oil is a vegetable oil. Multi-use, great for bacon, beef burgers, poultry, flatbreads, grilled sandwiches, panini, quesadillas and more. Heavy-duty meat press. On the stovetop or grill, who doesn't love a well-pressed piece of crispy bacon? You know you want it, but don't burn your hands. Use this Victoria cast iron press for everything from bacon steaks and burgers to homemade delicious paninis right on the grill. Cut your cooking time in half and make consistently crispy and crunchy bacon. This Victoria barbecue tool is seasoned and perfect for keeping bacon from curling. Chicken breasts, burgers and steaks. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect size, substantial weight, easier to maintain. A quality product. This is my first grill press. I am in search of the perfect steak, and many professional chefs recommend the use of a press to ensure that the meat get cooked evenly. I am pleased with this press for a number of reasons. The size is perfect for a 12-inch large cast iron pan. It has significant weight in order to get the job done. The handles are removable for reseasoning it in the oven, also nice because you could put a new handle on it if it ever wears out or breaks. It is easy to clean and maintain. It works great for items other than cooking meat. My daughter uses it for cooking quesadillas. It speeds the melting of the cheese before the tortilla gets burned. Did you ever notice that you all see these being used in restaurant kitchens? Well, now I know the reason why. For you, this product is made in Colombia and comes pre-seasoned. This press is well manufactured and doesn't look like Chinese pot metal. It comes wrapped in a cardboard sleeve with the cleaning and care instructions and warranty printed on it. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty from the manufacturer. I would use caution using this in a smaller, 10 or less diameter, Teflon-coated skillet, but we do, without any problems. The edges are not sharp, but you could still scratch the surface if you're not careful. If you find this review and pics helpful in your decision making, I'd appreciate a vote. Thanks.